Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to add Amazon reviews on your item on Shopify. And to do so it's very easy. Actually it's easier than most people think. So all you have to do is go to the search bar here and then search for sales channel. So you should have a button right here. You can also just write sales channel. After that you will have this button, apps and sales channel settings. So click on it once. Then once you land on this page, go on Shopify App Store here and then it will get you to this page, this Shopify App Store. Basically what that is just a marketplace for apps that you can add to your store, right? So you can add dashboards, you can add ads of Snapchat, etc. So just go through it, but what's important here is to go to the search app here and then go to Ali reviews. So you may be wondering why Ali Reviews. Yeah, Ali Reviews is for AliExpress, but it works also for Amazon. So just go through and install it. So let's install it here. Here you have to give it the permission to do like view personal data, to view and edit store data. So just install it, it's safe. Then here, once it's installed, go to sign up for free and just skip the tutorial. Now once you're here, go to manage reviews and here you will find all your items. So I'll just have one item, which is a test one, because it's just a tutorial, but for you, you will have your item. So here, just go to import reviews and then go to AliExpress or Amazon in this case and type the Amazon product URL. So let's just go to Amazon to take an example. Let's just take this computer for example. So I will copy the link and then go down to this Shopify and paste it. So here you can import only reviews with the images. You can choose to not import reviews you deleted. You can import reviews that have feedback text. So you have many options here. And here in the number of reviews, you can choose how much reviews you want on this item. So let's just say 5 and then click on import. Sometimes there may be problems with this app because Amazon has very strict policies. So if you have a problem like me here, if I go to import reviews and then I go to import reviews 10 from Amazon, right? Yeah. Import and here importing Amazon reviews is currently on hold. So just wait a few minutes or a few hours and it will go back to normal. This is completely normal. This happens all the time, so don't worry. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.